In this workflow tutorial, we'll use MESA's built-in AI app to use a product's title and description and compare it against specific tag values so it can update the new product with the right tags. By using AI, you can improve accuracy and save time when adding product tags within your Shopify store. To get started, you need to have the MESA app installed on your Shopify store. You can easily add it from the Shopify App Store. To get started quickly, MESA offers a free plan or enjoy a 7-day free trial on any paid plan. Once added from the MESA app, click the Create Workflow button. Let's start a workflow using the Shopify Product Created step. Next, search for the AI by MESA app. Select Prompt as the next action. In the prompt, enter your tagging instructions. This helps the AI so it knows what tags are available. Next, we want to add the product's title and description so the AI has more context. Click the variable selector icon to open the list. Add the title and body HTML variables to the prompt. Add another step to your workflow, again, selecting the Shopify app. Search or locate the action step called Product Add Tag. Assign the ID value to the product created ID variable. And assign the tag value to the prompt response variable. Now, save your workflow. When prompted, give it a unique name and be sure your email address is correct for receiving any relevant notifications. This is what the final workflow looks like. Lastly, turn your workflow on. Congrats! You're done. Workflow setup is included, so we'll help personalize any workflow or make a custom one for you. Visit us at getmesa.com to learn more. Or visit us on the Shopify App Store and start automating the everyday challenges of running your business.